Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to Healthy Food Recipes. Our today's recipe is very delicious and yummy, that's almond cake. So if you people like this recipe, do subscribe my channel, give me thumbs up and hit the bell icon too. Let's have a look at the ingredients. The ingredients are damn simple and easy. These are sugar 1 cup, oil half cup milk, plain flour 1 cup, almond sliced 20, chopped almonds almost 2 tablespoons, sesame seeds 2 tablespoons and raisins 1 tablespoon, 2 eggs, vanilla essence almost 1 teaspoon and baking powder 1 teaspoon. So let's start it by greasing the pan with oil. Fully grease the pan all over its sides like this, moving the whole pan. When the pan is fully greased, start decorating it with sliced almonds. You can decorate the pan whatever the way you want to. Now adding 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds and 1 teaspoon of raisins if you want to. Spread it evenly all over the surface of the pan. So it will look like this. Our baking pan is ready. Now set it aside. Now take a blender and add 2 eggs in it. Then add sugar, almost 1 cup, oil, almost half cup, add milk or approximately half a cup, then add vanilla extract 1 teaspoon. Now blend it well. So our blended mixture looks like this. Pour this mixture in one bowl. And now set it aside. Now take another bowl and add 1 cup of flour in it. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and mix both these dry ingredients very well with the whisk. So our 2 bowls are ready. One of dry ingredients and the other of the blended ingredients. Pour dry ingredients in first bowl. Now mix it slowly with a fork or whisk. Check out the consistency of final batter. Now take chopped almonds, dust it with flour and strain it. Add in batter and add sesame seeds almost 1 teaspoon and mix them very well slightly with the fork. So our batter is ready. Now pour the batter slightly over the almonds so that the almonds should not leave their places. Don't do like this. If you add spoonful of batter one by one, then almonds will not leave their place. So our baking pan is ready to be put in oven. So in preheated pan, bake it for 25 to 30 minutes at 150 degrees centigrade. So after almost half an hour, our cake is almost ready. Now take it out from oven. You can see it's almost done. Give it some time to let it cool for almost half an hour. Now take a knife and do like this so that the cake just left the sides of the pan and you can easily flip it out. You can see the cake is damn soft to flip apart and it's cooled down. So our yummy almond cake is ready. Here you can see that the almonds have gone sideways just because of the batter which I have poured so gently. You can add honey over the top too. So if you people like this recipe, do subscribe my channel, give me thumbs up and hit the bell icon too. Thanks for watching the video.